We'll demonstrate stem stitch. First, come up at left of line. Take down forward about 1 segment distance. Don't pull thread tight. Leave a loop on fabric. Can use finger to press it down. Come up at middle position of segment. Pull thread. Continue forward 1 segment distance and take down. Again, don't pull thread tight. Leave a loop on fabric. Then come up at first entry point. Let me demonstrate again. Take down forward. Come up at second stitch entry position. Following these operation steps, complete remaining line. When coming up, must ensure needle comes from same direction. Not after needle comes up. Thread it through below. That way is incorrect. Must always come up from same side. If, when stitching, it comes from other side, won't form threaded segment in end. Continue following line direction. Stitch in sequence. Note when stitching, maintain even spacing between stitches. Stitched segment this way will present beautiful and twisted threaded line feel. Last stitch, take down at line end. Let's see the finished effect.